One of the most common treatments for bruxism is construction of a night guard. This is also called an occlusal guard or occlusal splint, and it's basically a custom fit device made of acrylic, which is a high strength plastic, usually fitting on the upper teeth that provides a barrier between the upper and lower teeth. So if someone is going to clench and grind, there is a barrier in between the teeth, protecting that patient from being able to rub their teeth together, which often will create chipping and/or significant wear and aesthetic issues.